welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. This was Friday morning. It was about 9 a.m. and I started off with laundry. So I got an early start because I had a man coming over to give us a quote on some windows because our windows definitely needed to be replaced. So I wanted to make sure that everything was up and out of the way. And also this was the Friday that my son was going to his dad's for the weekend. So I wanted to make sure that his sheets were changed and washed. That way when he got back on Sunday, everything would be nice and clean. I also do want to mention really quick here that our kids do pick up their own bedrooms, but for the purpose of me filming, I sometimes tell them, hey, I'm going to film in your room today, so you can leave it as is. Or sometimes I say, I'm going to film in your room, but you have to pick up these toys out of the way. Like, I just don't want them to think, oh, my mom films, and I can just leave my stuff out and she's going to pick it up or something like that. That's what I don't want. And I feel like sometimes they think that way, like, oh, aren't you going to film? No, no, you go ahead and pick up your room, pick up after yourself. Just because I filmed does not mean that, you know, that you guys can just leave everything just lying around. So they do pick up their rooms. I do tell them to pick up their rooms on the daily, especially my son here, because he is one to come home and take off his clothes, throw them on the floor. Like after school, they'll take off their school stuff and then just kind of throw on some random things and, you know, just like casual wear. But their clothes, they just throw them on the floor, and they all do that. But my son lives with us, you know, 100% of the time. So, you know, I see it more from him versus my stepkids. And when my stepkids get home, they love to take off their shoes and leave them out in the living area or they leave them in the playroom. And then by the time the weekend comes, they're, you know, trying to find their shoes. They don't know where they put everything. So, you know, this house is chaotic, but I do want to mention that the kids do pick up after themselves. But because I do film, you know, there are times when I'm like, hey, I'm going to film, so you can just leave that be. But yes, I will tell them, hey, you have to do this, because I am not a maid. And I think I've said that over and over in my videos. I am not a maid. So do not expect me to do this and this and this for you, because they are grown. They are preteen. Well, actually, they're teenagers. My stepdaughter is a preteen, but they are all grown. They can wash their clothes. They can put up their clothes. They can do things for themselves. But because I do film, you know, I let them slide on a few things here and there. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into this.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own.
All right, so I got this room nice and clean because this is the main room that definitely needs the windows to be replaced. So the guy's going to definitely have to come in this room. I got everything dusted. There wasn't really much to do in here. Of course, I changed the sheets. This is a Friday. He is going to his dad's for the weekend. So I always do this on Fridays. I always make sure the sheets are changed. I have towels in the wash, so that's going to have to wait. And this right here is something that I'm wanting to get rid of, but for now it houses his books. But we definitely have to sit down and go over what's all on here, because I know that, I mean, he doesn't read these anymore, especially Dogman books. He just likes to have them there, but we definitely need to go through this because I really want to get rid of this. And like I said, we're going to do a makeover here in the summertime. So this is all going to go away, but I just realized that, okay, there's just a lot of junk here, but we're just going to leave that alone for now. I just wanted the room nice and cleaned and smelling not like a teenage boy's room. So now we're going to head into not the bathroom, because the bathroom is pretty clean. Plus I'm still doing the makeover in there. So it should be up. The video part 1 should be up already. So you can go ahead and check that out. But we're not going to go into the bathroom. We're going to head into possibly my room, because my stepdaughter's room is also in the process of a makeover. That video has not gone up yet because we are still not done. So there's still a few things I need to do in there. But we're going to go ahead and go into my room, tidy up in there, tidy up in my bathroom, and then work our way out into the living room and the kitchen area. All right, so I got this room done, the bathroom done, and I have to take those towels out of here, put them in the dirty clothes, and that is about it for this side of the house. Now we're going to go into the living room. I don't think I have to do very much in there, but I want to go ahead and tidy up. All right, y'all, make sure that you are subscribed and are ready for part 2 of the kids' bathroom refresh. I'm so excited to get this one done so that way I can start another project, because that's just what I do. I finish one and then start another. But this video is ending on me doing laundry. I started with laundry and we are finishing with laundry. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.